Namaskar, this is Gijis from Gijis channel. I am sure most of you have eaten Indian butter chicken at least one time. Butter chicken is one of the most popular Indian dishes. Have you ever wished you could make butter chicken at home? Most of the butter chicken recipes include butter and or creamer. In this video, I will show you a healthier version of butter chicken. It is in fact made without butter. What? Butter chicken without butter? But I could assure you that it has the same or even better taste. For this recipe, we will need 4 chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, 4 medium tomatoes cut into pieces, 4 chopped medium-sized red onions, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 25 cashews, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seed powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 4 tablespoon vegetable oil and salt is needed. Hope you will try this recipe and let me know your comments.
First, I'm going to make the gravy for the butter chicken. For that, I'm going to saute some onions. This is 4 medium-sized red onion chopped. This is 4 chopped medium-sized tomatoes. 1 tablespoon minced ginger and 1 tablespoon minced garlic. This is about 25 pieces of whole cashew nut. 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon red chili, Kashmiri chili powder, and of course we need chicken. This is chicken from 4 chicken breast. We'll use this later, and salt as needed. First, I'm going to saute the onions in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Saute it until it's transparent or translucent. It will take a few minutes, probably 5 minutes. Okay, now it's ready, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic. So I'm going to saute it few seconds, then I'm going to add the tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to add the tomatoes now. I'm going to saute it 5 more minutes, then I'm going to add the spices and the cashews. Okay, now I'm going to add the spices and the cashews. I'm going to stir it for a few seconds. So after this, I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. And while it cools down, I'm going to cook the chicken. So after it cools down, I'm going to grind it into a paste and then add to the chicken and simmer it for a few minutes. So it's ready. So I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. Okay, I'm going to use the same pot to cook the chicken. I'm going to transfer the rest of the oil to the pan. chicken and cook it for 15 minutes on medium heat. So while it's cooking, I'm going to grind this mix into a paste. You don't need to add water. I blended the mixture. I'm going to add it to the chicken and saute it for 10 more minutes. Simmer it for 10 more minutes. Keep the pot covered and simmer it for 10 minutes. And of course, don't forget to add salt. I'm going to add, you could add as much as you want per your taste. Stir a little bit, and I'm going to let it simmer for 10 more minutes. Looks like our chicken is ready. I'm just going to taste it, make sure that it has enough salt and everything. Yum! I'm going to transfer it to a serving bowl. You could serve it with roti, rice, naan, bread, whatever. So, for those of you who don't have enough time to make it from scratch, I highly recommend this product. This is paste for butter chicken curry from Kitchens of India. I bought it from Amazon. You could buy 6 of these for like a little more than $10. You could use it for like 2 to 4 chicken breasts. What I normally do is that I saute like half of an onion or 1 whole onion, depending on how much chicken you're using. Saute it in a little bit of oil, then add the chicken, cook it for like 10 minutes. Then put this paste, mix it with a little bit of water, add it to the chicken, and cook for another 15-20 minutes. Then your butter chicken is ready. This is an easier way, but what I showed today was a healthier alternative. Thanks for watching this video.